But your hair's gonna be so flat, like a flat ass.
Hey! I'm going to use Keratin to straighten my hair. The keratin is going to do two things. It's going to get rid of all the curls, which I'm sad about because I love the curls. The other thing that it's also going to do is going to get rid of all the frizz. So the issues I have here is that it's virtually impossible to style. What the instruction says is, sorry, booty call. No, I'm single. When that's done, I need to not wash my hair at least overnight, and then ideally wait a few days before washing again. So yeah.
Hi guys!
Do you know what I'm gonna do?
No, what you gonna do?
I'm going to do keratin to my hair.
But your hair's gonna be so flat, like a flat ass.
Hey!
I'm just being honest, like there's no volume, no shape or kind when you do keratin.
It's so much easier to maintain and I need it.
Okay,
But-
so what is the procedure to do it?
Really quickly, so I need to wash my hair 2 times, blow dry it,
Okay.
put the product on, wait 30 minutes, blow dry it again, and then use a flat iron. But then I have to do like one strand 8 to 12 times.
Are you going to burn your hair?
I hope not.
Okay, but the procedure is going to take like what, 4 hours to do it?
Okay, so you know what? If the keratin works out well, then I'll be confident to bleach my hair.
No. Yourself doing that?
Yeah, no, but I'm not gonna become blonde. I want another color.
You know what color will look really good? Denim blue.
Oh wait, actually though.
Try denim blue.
Alright, next video, that's it. Next video we found out by Sonika Supal. Her Instagram link here. Alright, I'll keep you updated.
Love you so much.
Love you more. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright. Let's do this. It's 20 to 1 in the morning. I am exhausted and I've just applied the product, and that was supposed to take 20 minutes and it took me an hour. I washed my hair probably like 10 times to be sure, and after I washed my hair with the shampoo, there was so much friction in my hair. It was like plastic. It was so weird. So now that it's there, I have to wait 30 minutes and then I will have to blow dry it. It is only when I've blow dried my hair that I will be able to start to flat iron it. I'm really scared about it, but because, sorry, it's so hot, I have to leave the AC on, so sorry about that. This is the area that I am the most scared of, because like it's near my ear and I'm like, knowing myself, I'll probably burn myself, which is kind of shite, so there is that. I don't know, well, stay tuned. I am so sorry. I didn't film the results of the video right after I did the keratin, and it's been a week. I washed my hair 3 times, been to the pool a couple times, and this is what my hair looks like right out of the shower. I just got out of the shower, I lightly blow dried it, and I was like, I have to do it today, otherwise it's never gonna get done. That's why I can't do those sort of videos where I'm reviewing products, because I'm so bad at keeping up and keeping track of progress. This is what you expect your hair to be like for the next 3 months, at least my hair. It's not damaged, it doesn't look damaged, it looks perfectly healthy and frizz-free, which is what I wanted, right? Like there's no frizz whatsoever. This part is still quite kinky. But I feel like I've cheated a little bit because I went out and got a haircut. So the back isn't as like long, and people who say that keratin really damages your hair, I would say that it doesn't, at least not in my case, because it doesn't look damaged. I don't think it does. I love it. I do nothing. I wake up like this in the morning and that's what my hair looks like. It's great. It's phenomenal. It's worth it. 3 hours and this is it. The next day, actually, all right, I finished, I went to bed. The next day I woke up, I didn't wash my hair for like 2 days at least. And it was just awful looking. It was pin straight, there was no curl to it. And it smelled funny. And the back of my hair was just like up to here. It was so bad. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know by either commenting in the comment section below or DMing me on Instagram. Those 2 things. And I will do more. I probably do it on my friends because I feel like I've done a bang-on job. This is good. This is real good. This is real nice. It seems like I've done such a terrible job doing this video, but anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!